Hello, today I will speak about the unknown and the simple equation, basic concept. In algebra, we use a letter like X or Y to represent an unknown number we want to find. We show relationships using an equal. Example, if we have x plus 5 equals 7, we want to find the value of x. Makes this true. Maybe we think the first method, logical thinking, if we think which number we added then with 5, it will be equal 7. And 2 plus 5 equals 7. If we think logical thinking, simple logical thinking, what number plus 5 equal 7 or give 7? 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 equal 7. The second method, method 1, inverse operation. X plus 5 equals 7. If I move 5 plus 5 to other side and change the sign, I move 5 plus 5 to other side, x equal 7 plus, it will be minus instead of plus, and x equal 2. This is the second method. The second method. The third method, balance method. Think of an equation as a balance with what you do to one side, you must do to the another side. Think of an equation as a balance that you do to one side, you must do to the another side. Here I want just x. Then I will x plus 7 equal 9, and I will add minus 7 here, minus 7 on the other side. If I do something in the first side, I must do the same thing on the another side. Here I get 0. X plus 0, 7 minus 7, 0 equal 2. X equal 2. Examples. Check here, I must check also. I have x plus 5 equals 7, and instead of x, I find it equal 2. So x, instead of x, I will write 2 plus 5 equals 7. Over here the same. X plus 7 equal 2. 2 plus 7 equal 9. Equal 9. Examples. X plus 2 equal 8. Logical thinking, which number I will add to 2 and I will get, it's give me 8. If I think 6 plus 2 equal 8, so x equal 6. Another method, x inverse operation. I will change the place of 2 to another side, and I will change the sign here. 8 minus 2 instead of plus. And it's give me x equals 6. This is the second method. The third method, the balance method. If I have x third plus 2 equal 8, and I want just x in this side, so I will add minus 2 here, minus 2 to another side. I must do the same thing in both sides. Now I will get 0, 2 minus 2 equal 0, x plus 0 equal 8 minus 2 equal x, x equal 6. Another example. X minus 11 equal 2. And when I think logical thinking, instead of x, if I write 13 minus 11 equal 2. This is the first method. So x equal 13. The second method, inverse operation, I will change the place of minus 11 to another side, and I will change the sign. X equal 2 plus 11, x equal 13. This is the second method. The third method, the balance method, and x minus 11 equal 2, and I want just x in this side, so I will add plus 11, but I must add plus 11 to another side of equation. X minus 11 plus 11, x plus 0 equal 13, x equal 30. Sorry. Another example. X minus 2 equal minus 1. And when I think here, how can I get minus 1? If I have x equal 1, if I think logical, easy logical thinking, if x equal 1, 1 minus 2 equal minus 1. So x equal 1, logical thinking. If I use inverse operation, method number 2, x minus 2 equal minus 1, and I will change the place of minus 2 to another side and change the sign. The minus, it will be plus, x equal minus 1 plus 2, x equal plus 1. And the third method, the balance method, if we use this, the same example, x minus 2 equal minus 1. And here I will add plus 2 and plus 2. X minus 2 plus 2, x plus 0 equal 1, because minus 1 plus 2, x equal 1. I will continue with equation with multiplication and division. Simple equation with multiplication and division. Equations with multiplication and division. In this lesson, or part of lesson, we deal with equations where the unknown is multiplied or divided by a number. Divided by a number. Example. Equation with multiplication and division. In this in this part of lesson, we deal with equation where the unknown is multiplied or divided by a number. For example, if we have 4x equal 12, and how can we find x? If we think opposite operation to multiplication is division. So if we want to find x, so we use the opposite operation. Here we have 4 by x. 4 times x equal 12, and I want just x, so I divided the both with 4. The opposite operation to multiplication is division. And shorten now 4 with 4, and x equal 3. If I have 15x equal 45, and this is 15 times x equal 45, and I know this is a multiplication here, and I want just x. I want to find the value of x. I need to divide. The opposite operation for multiplication is division, so I will divide 15x with 15, and I will divide the both sides with 15. And here shorten 15 with 15, x equal 45 divided by 15 equal 3. Last example. if I have 4x equals 16, and I know 4 times x, it's multiplication, so I need to divide the opposite operation at division. So I will divide the both sides with 4 to get how much the value of x. 4x equals 16 divided by 4, and shorten here x equal 4. X equal 4. Now I will take a number with division, with unknown and division. For example, if I have x divided by 6 equal 36, and equal 12. It will be easier for me. 12, and I want to find how much the value of x. I will multiply both sides with x. Opposite operation here are multiply, because I have x divided by 6 equal 12 and x divided by 6 equal 12. Multiply the first side with 6 and the other side with 6. Shorten here x equal 6 by 2, 12, and 6 by 1, 6 plus 70. So x equals 72. If I have x divided by 6 equal 24, for example, and I must find the value of x, I need to the opposite operation here, x divided by 6, the opposite are multiply x with 6. X divided by 6 equal 24. I multiply with 6 because I want just x in one side. Multiply the another side with 6. Shorten 6 with 6. X equal 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 2, 12, plus 2, 144. 144. The last example. X by 3 equal 4, and we can use another method to lose this. We can do like this. If we have one fraction equal another fraction, and we can multiply x with 1, 4 with 3. X equal 3 times 4, x equal 12. X divided by 6 equal 12. The same thing, we can use another method here, this method, and 1 times x equal x. 12 by 6. X equals 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 72. So we can use this method also to lose these simple equations. I hope it was a good lesson for today. We meet on another lesson. Bye bye.